Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix ESPN buffering. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in ESPN Fantasy app and then hit on search. Now once it loads, what you need to do is locate the app and then tap on it. And once you're inside the app, here what you need to do is check to see if app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen and then open up your settings app. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll all the way down until you find the ESPN Fantasy app. Now let me just assume this messenger is the ESPN Fantasy app. Now on tapping it, you'll find the two options inside, that is upload app and delete app. So what you need to do is simply tap on upload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you're facing. Once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and restart the app, and that will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.